Who are we? History. Almer Ltd is one of the leading companies in Bulgaria for the areas and sectors it serves. The company was established in 2002, and since then Almer's team has been constantly working on new challenges to improve and expand our products and services. We take an active part in the entire production process from the beginning to the end. We achieve excellent results by serving our customers with the best capabilities for their needs. Machines for production and packaging of food products, as well as possibilities for complete design and implementation of technological equipment and solutions for production processes, rich and varied range of packaging solutions, raw materials, ingredients, rapid tests and complete laboratory equipment. What we provide to our customers is solutions tailored to their specific needs and requirements. Our mission is to be a partner that offers the right technology solutions and supports our customers. The high-quality products we offer, combined with our established standards of work and rich variety, open our doors to international markets. So, today we already have customers from all over the world, a trend that is constantly growing. Opportunities. Almer has new and highly equipped warehouses and does not stop investing in new and advanced technologies for excellent and fast service. With our highly qualified team, we meet all the requirements. Experience and high professionalism give certainty and confidence. We are a loyal partner to all who have trusted us.